Jersey, and this is my wife's dash cam footage.
This is me driving home from work on just a normal day. I saw a car coming towards me and I pulled over and slowed down, but then I realized that they were still directly headed towards me, so I had to quickly accelerate to get out of the way. At first, I guess I thought that it was somebody who had gotten the wrong way going on the interstate and they were trying to exit quickly. But then I realized that they were just straight shot, pedal to the floor. So we thought for a while that somebody had had a stroke or something that kept them from being able to be in control of their vehicle. You can see in the back that they went and hit the side wall, and in the tail of the video, it almost seems like they swerved back across. We posted to some local forums trying to find out if the driver was okay, because at this point we weren't sure if it caused a major wreck or what happened. We found out from other people who were in cars behind us who posted and replied to us that the car hit the side hill of the road and airbags deployed. They crossed the median again and then they exited the interstate. There was a first responder who also replied to us and said that the first responders were dispatched and they weren't able to find anybody. This makes us wonder if it was someone who may have been, who knows it, on drugs, fleeing from something, some reason that they came to and didn't stop and fled the scene. We take this as encouragement for everybody. You never know what's going to happen to you on the road, and we think that everybody should have dash cams.
I think everyone needs to have a dash cam, and I think everyone needs to be paying attention when they're driving because it's very easy to be on your cell phone. I'm not blaming anyone here, but I get the feeling that certain people behind her were distracted driving based on their actions, and I think life is a precious thing and we need to do everything we can to maintain it. Thanks for helping us stay safe another day in West Virginia.